We'll guide you through how to use DaVinci Resolve 20. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve 20 on your computer. Once you're in, you'll see the Project Manager screen. Click on New Project at the bottom. Give your project a name and hit Create. Now you're in the main interface. You'll notice the different pages at the bottom: Media, Cut, Edit, Fusion, Color, Fairlight, and Deliver. Start by going to the Media page to import your footage. Click on the Import Media button or drag and drop your files into the media pool. Next, click on the Cut page for quick edits. Use the tools at the top to trim, cut, and arrange your clips. For more detailed editing, switch to the Edit page. Here you can add effects, transitions, and more. Simply drag an effect from the effects library onto your clip. For color correction, head over to the Color page. Use the tools on the right to adjust exposure, contrast, and color balance. If you need to add visual effects, go to the Fusion page. You can create complex effects by connecting nodes. For audio editing, visit the Fairlight page. Here you can mix and edit your audio tracks with precision. Once you're satisfied with your project, go to the Deliver page. Choose your export format and settings, then click Add to Render Queue. Finally, hit Start Render to export your video. And that's a quick overview of using DaVinci Resolve 20. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.